Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to add vertical shading style in Microsoft Excel cell. Firstly, select the single cells or select multiple cells, then hold Ctrl and select multiple cells. I select full cells, then Ctrl A. Oh sorry, dragging this area. Then right click mouse, go to format cells, click fill effect then select vertical, select your variants 1 2 3. I select this on or okay this one, then okay, we can see vertical. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.